line. Show me a line.
This is crazy!
Yeah, show me a line in your
Slime
hand.
is dripping on the bed.
Oh my God. Hello, good evening, and welcome to. I'm Daddy Bless.
I'm Ate Bless. I'm Kuya Bless. I'm Jiggy Bless. And
We're currently in the floor, and we are actually talking about what are we going to do in a while. So today we just had a great time together. We went to the mall together with Ellie and Jakey, and
Kuya was beaten
Kuya didn't go with us because he wanted to stay with mommy.
because he wanted to marry Mom.
So before we start our vlog, or what are we going to do for today, we're gonna first start with our blessings for today. Let's start with Ate Bless. What's your blessing for
My
today?
blessing today was that I got to play with Dad and got to spend extra time with Jakey.
How about you, Jakey? What's your blessing for today? What are you grateful for?
Kuya was beaten.
Huh? That's not a blessing. Okay, what is your blessing?
I have the cookies and cream, and we go to McDonald's, and I eat chicken fillet fast.
Wow. So you're grateful for that. How about you, Elijah? Elijah is actually laying down. What are you grateful for today?
I was grateful for that I get the chica with mommy a lot.
Yep, chica.
I played games on her cell phone, and I downloaded a boy egg surprise game, just one.
Wow, that's nice.
Hi guys, you saw our earlier kind of thing where chica hang. We got this new box of chocolates. I think there's a lot of flavors in here, so I don't know which one. What? Chocolate! Just kidding, guys! We got new slimes today. It's really fun and awesome. Slime time!
Okay, so where do we buy this again?
From Blue Magic. Thank you, Blue Magic, for our slime.
Yep.
And
Jakey actually touched this inside the mall. Anyway, who's gonna be the first one to open?
Me!
Okay, boys, who's gonna be the first one?
Ladies first.
Okay, so Ate opened first.
And then me next.
We'll see. Okay.
Hi guys, this is mine. This is Putty. It's not.
Is it a slime?
It's a different kind of slime that doesn't
Show
stick.
it to me. Ugh.
It's so cute.
No, put it in your hand.
Why? It's not sticky.
Oh, it's not sticky at all.
Yeah, this is Putty. It can form. I want to form it into a bow.
Okay, well, how does it feel? Let the boys feel it.
The boys here feel it. Oh yeah. Does it bounce? I want it to be bounce.
By the way, what did you put? Before we open slimes?
It's manila paper. Thank you, manila paper.
Mommy put some manila paper so that it will not dirty. Yuck! Don't taste it. Does it taste like something? Okay. Next one. Who's the next one to open?
Mine.
Okay.
Me.
Okay. Push. Okay, Jakey first.
Ew! Why? Yucky! That's
Yuck!
Ew!
Jakey got pure goo.
Jakey has a prank one! Ew! Daddy, help me! Daddy!
Hey, please don't wipe it on the bed, please. That's the use of the manila paper. Can you show it closer? Just on the manila paper.
Daddy, give me a tissue! Thanks.
How about? Okay, does it feel bad, Jakey?
It feels disgusting!
Oh. Is it disgusting?
Yeah!
Okay, your
feels
turn,
like
Elijah.
you. Finally,
You want to
I
wipe your hands, Jakey?
get- Oh,
Huh?
yeah. Yeah.
Now, how can we use that for tomorrow? It's so yuck.
Make our own. Do you want that?
Yeah. Yeah, let's only make one for Jakey.
No. Let's make a video.
Okay, sit down,
of
like,
making-
because you can't be.
Open, please, Dad.
Mommy, can you
I'll
open it? Okay, sit down, like, because we can't see you.
Oh, Eli got trick slime. Eli got trick slime.
Oh.
Daddy! Daddy! Give me my picture!
Show me, like, show me, like.
This is crazy!
Like, show me, like, your
Slime is
hand.
dripping on the bed.
Oh my god! Slime
This
things.
is sucking! Give me that! I want my stress reliever! I want my stress reliever!
Show me your slime.
Daddy! Daddy, it's so disgusting!
Ugh.
Daddy, it's so disgusting! Daddy, it's so disgusting! Daddy, help me! Let me try.
How about you mix it?
This is no!
Oh gosh,
No,
where did
Dad!
you get
No,
Jakey?
Mommy, no!
Mix
no.
You mixing it,
I don't
Mommy?
want to, Mama. You're giving my tissue. Yay!
Stretching. Okay naman.
Ew!
That's
Very
the real
what?
slime.
Wow! This one's nicer. So cool!
Ate, what do you think about the slime?
It's awesome. I like Eli's because it's not that stickier than Jakey's. This is like Ryan's suka or something.
It's like Ryan's puke?
Yeah. No, it doesn't feel like Ryan's puke, but it feels like Ryan's laway.
Does it smell? How does it smell?
It smells like Warashi! Awesome! Uh-oh. No.
Ugh. Jakey, how does yours fit? Yours like
Hey,
looks like
give me back my pie.
Jakey, literally yours looks like puke and poop, wet poop. Ugh.
Jakey, did yours poop?
Oh no, don't take it out. Jakey, don't take it out because if you take it out,
Crazy. Jakey, you have some here.
yeah, that's the one left. What do you think about it?
I like mine.
It's really sticky.
Did you like yours, like?
icky. That's what try no, mine.
Let Jakey try to touch yours, like. Let Jakey
Just touch my hand. It has goo all
Jakey's
over
his
it.
hand. Show it out to the camera.
Wow.
Oh yeah.
Crazy. Mine is like already gooped up in.
Ate Bless and Kuya Bless, would you recommend people or kids to buy slime?
No, because they stick on your paper or on your table, like you see. Thank you, Lifetime. So if it sticks on your table, you have to wipe it off and throw it in the trash can, as you see.
Okay, how about you, Kuya Bless?
So I recommend you should buy putty and you should follow us, but don't do slime.
Eli, Kuya Bless got frustrated, right? He got frustrated with yours.
So never buy slime. People get upset, sad, or grumpy.
But can they make slime?
Yes!
So is that part of the plan, Mommy?
Yeah, we're gonna make.
We're gonna make our own slime.
But I want it to be.
So we'll make sure that it will not be gooey
No!
and dewy
And icky.
Okay.
and sticky.
So we have to find the formula. How about you, Baby Bless? What would you recommend?
Thank you for watching, you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel and
Your Facebook.
and comment on our Facebook channel.
And put a lot of
Hearts. And if you're sad, you should put the sad face so that we'll know how you're feeling. And if you're sad, you can just watch our show.
Yes.
Because we're the very blessed.
And don't forget, you are always very